So just let y'all see what's going on. I got one pair wired up. That's these two right here. I'm going to be routing this pair to the wall that I got right there where I used to have my old wires at. So I'm gonna have nuts and bolts connected through there, and I'm gonna have 4 gauge going out to the amps. But I got one pair, and I'm using a what is it, the 4N 2L 8 gauge distro blocks right there. And I'm gonna wire that up too. Well, not wire it up, but I'm gonna zip tie that too, just for easy convenience, because I'm having big problems trying to crimp and put wires together using a crimper, and I don't have time for that. So the little small Metro distro block is perfect, and I test the ohm load. It comes out to 1 ohm, so I ordered, what, 3 more pairs? So once those come in, I'm gonna wire up this pair, then I'm gonna wire up the other 4 when I get my other subs. But this is how it's looking right now, and I'm just trying to get a head start just to make this install a lot easier but effective. So definitely can't wait to keep these things moving. It's gonna be something.